It seems to me that there are at least two kinds of work that we're doing when we're trying to figure out an education. One is figuring out what the instructor is asking us to do, which leads to, presumably, the work where we will learn the things that are important to us, or that at least the instructor thinks are important to us. Uh, I have worked really hard, but with, I think, mixed success at um, plowing the road for you, clearing the way so that you can get to the real work. One of the things I've worried a little bit about is that packback is enough unusual and enough different than maybe what you've done before that some folks are having a hard time figuring out exactly what to do with packback. And that prevents getting into the real questions where the learning about things that are connected with the course goals could happen. So I'm making this little video just to say, if you're struggling with that, meaning access to packback and finding ways to get in to do the work, then I hope you'll reach out to me so that I can help plow the road. I can give you that access, help you find ways in. The real work that we're doing right now is going through the 7 course goals, the student learning outcomes. I think they're packback 6 through 13 or something like that. And trying to get our feet on the ground about what they mean for each one of us, what it means for you particularly to conduct inquiry-based research, for example. So I'm inviting you to do that work. Only a very few of you are doing it just at the moment. That doesn't mean that I've given up on anybody at all, but I think that it is important that maybe you think that or find a way to get into that part of the work, because it lays a really good foundation for the mastery project. I'm going to make a separate video to talk more about mastery projects, how to get into that work, some of the possibilities you might have. And I'm also going to, in that video, I'll probably contradict myself a little bit, because I won't generally plow the road for you too much in terms of finding and doing that project. I will help, but I don't have a really simple checklist type assignment page for the mastery project, because that's not what I'm asking you to do. So more on that in another video. Contact me if you're having troubles with packback.